You know what? It just remain up very few minutes.
Hey, now it's 9 minutes with this now, eh? Relax. 9 minutes with this, and I still fall to them. They play since.
They calm down. I tell you that my plug show. Hey, you didn't see the matter? I didn't see the plug show. Don't worry yourself. Yes, now. Hey, somebody don't show.
Look at check. That's now how many goes now?
Yes, now 4 for 3.
4 more. 4 to remain 1 now. It remain.
Why the app not they open again?
It remain 1. The app not they refresh.
The app not be refresh again.
No. How many?
Hey.
Let's take up his cost.
I don't lose my 100 naira.
Oh my, don't cast.
So now 4-3 the match end.
Yes, so.
You now 100 naira you lose.
The people they talk money. Maybe I'll do 5K. They talk about 100 naira. What you do?
Matis. Say what?
And they tell us she complain for 100 naira what she do. Meanwhile you 5K on committee.
5,000 you put inside.
Yes, now.
Matis, now 5,000 you put inside.
How much are supposed to put inside?
Matis, you tell me make I put my entire salary for inside and you carry 5,000 go put.
It's just a figure of speech now. What you dey talk? Say I say entire salary because you want to build a house. What did they worry you?
Fred, you use your entire salary.
Why you go? You're the great you.
Hey, what a man this year!
You the man? Leave my face. I go want you.
You go bring my money come outside.
Where you push money?
You go bring my salary come outside.
I will say I tell you that you do.
My salary now go.
Let me come for here. What did they worry you?
I'm not
I will kill you. I will kill you now. Nonsense. Greedy man.
That is
I don't support to be friend with a person like you. I don't support to be friend with you. Because you dey very greedy, you dey corny. When you use patterns when you use your money. Figure of speech. Now I tell you.
That figure of speech go kill you. That figure of speech go kill you if you don't carry my salary come outside.
I warn you. I feel blow you. I dey keep person there. I feel kill you now.
Everybody come on. Everybody come on. Welcome to the office. Another one. Welcome to the office.
No too much.
Tasha, I like the way they teach me computer.
Yeah, now, so.
Okay, you say the last time if I do, she to do copy now, control
C.
Control C.
When you see the teacher when you don't even know for this life.
Martin, what nonsense did you just send to me?
I decided to bless your money this morning with something.
Let me even delete it.
Delete what? Don't even dare. If you try to delete that thing,
on top my own phone, I don't delete them.
It doesn't matter. Even if it's your phone, you cannot delete it.
I've deleted it. Come and beat me.
You don't even value me. When I will blow, all of you will be saying you know me, and I work in the same office with you.
I beg.
Fred, how you doing?
No talk to me, oh. I don't want to hear you talk to me now. I think you see that you are one of the reasons I have not been happy since morning.
Wait a minute. So because of small thing we happened yesterday, that's why you do like this.
Now my entire salary you cost small thing. I put my entire salary, you go put 5,000. And you tell me say na small thing.
You know say na greediness make you do that way. Abi? But no worry, I got you. See, you don't say me, I be Martins for a reason. Marco 1 for this level. Bring that your FT account number, I'll press you some for your money the rest.
That number, don't send and give you for WhatsApp. Send that for your WhatsApp now.
Oh yeah, I'm asking. I'll press you something. Check, I'll bless you so.
Now fake alert.
I will follow you.
Check out.
Make I check my app.
This boy serious, oh? He sent the money. Hey! Thank you very much. Listen, Nana, you be my friend. Nana, you be my friend.
Martin, but you know me too. I lost money yesterday in The bets.
What's the worry this one? 100 naira when you lost time money.
And now it's still money.
I have nothing to say to you. If you want me to send you money, you realize the fact that just now I sent you video and you're blabbing saying you want to delete my video. Delete it
Just
now.
one joke now. You guys, I'm joking. Look at you. Fine boy like you.
You know you want to get money. You know what you're going to do for me.
What am I going to do?
Post that video on your status.
No.
With the caption, love of my life.
How can I post that?
Yeah, no problem. If you don't want to post, you don't want money now. We work for things. We do how I get my money.
Yeah, let me post it.
I post it.
Yeah,
Post
me.
it and show me, let me see.
The love of my life.
That is.
Yes.
So you leave it for the next 2 hours. After I see it and it is there for 2 hours, I give you your money. And if you remove it, your luck.
This boy is very wicked.
And then fine. I call landlord. I dey call make I pay my rent.
Are you like your rent money you use?
What is going on? What is this about now? I've told you that I'm busy. I can't make it. But I was with you last week. For your friend's birthday, I was there at your friend's birthday. What's going on now? Dude, look, this. I'm sorry I called you, dude. I want to be with you too. I really do, but I'm busy. I've got work to do. Don't you understand? You have to understand me. Come in. Come in. Babe, work calls. Please, no. I beg. I'm tired. I don't know how else to explain this thing to you. Why don't you just get it? I'm busy now. I can't do it. Do I have to be there all the time? Please, later.
Ma, these are the documents you asked for. Is everything okay?
Yes, please. Goodness, I'm just so disorganized now. I've been trying to sort something out. Can you just help me go through them, okay? I'm not in the right state of mind now, so it's not working out for me. Just.
Ma, is everything okay?
Yes, it's not anything I cannot handle. It's fine. Hello. I cannot go out with you this time around. Your friends will understand. When did we start doing things? Because, see, listen. You told me you have a mind of your own, right? So what's all these friends? My friends said this, my friends will say, What does it matter? The most important thing is that we understand each other and we are happy with each other. What is this now? So now you want to hang up? Really? You want to hang up on me? Please, I can't deal with this stress right now. I really can't. Please. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Bye. It's okay.
Ma, I'm done.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Ma, are you sure everything was okay?
Thank you, darling. Thank you very much. That will be all now. Yeah.
Okay,
I'll let you know. Yeah, I'll let you know once I'm done signing them. So thank you. Good.
Bye, Ma.
Yeah. Thank you. What is all this one I beg? What is this? I can't deal with this cleanliness. When did it start?
My baby.
Who's your baby? Baby that you don't send money.
What are you saying? You're my office baby. Any day, anytime. Is it money that is problem? I can give you.
Okay, now, give me.
Why are you doing like this? This is money. I will give you what I want. Wait. Are you doubting me? If you want to know my password, know it. It's only you that can know it.
All this talking, I've not seen anything.
Check it. Why you doubting Thomas? I pamper you like the baby that you are. Have you say, come here?
Now there, they see you. Small thing now, don't send you money now.
What's your own? Is it not a man like you that sends me money?
I sure say that money where they send you now. Now food you go see use and go chop. She dey have funny.
And so. I thought you were even sleeping. What are you doing here?
No, this yama noise now wake me up from my semester.
Semester or siesta?
Semester, everything are the same thing. Did. Eh? What's with this?
Excuse you?
Una loss?
And what sort of question is that?
Shh. Relax, babe. I got this.
Hey, Daddy.
Daddy? Who not they fine?
I don't like to go and talk to my princess.
Pregini. Now who be princess? This one?
Wait a minute. Is it me I'm calling this one? Or are you...
I just go to relax.
Okay, Daddy. I'm so sorry.
Daddy again. Yay! What in person no go here for? I beg who not they fine?
We are here to do business, and I would prefer you refer me to your manager, not some security man.
Shut up. I'm not a security.
Go back to your post.
Every day we see different things for Lagos. Yeah, no cow princess.
I think you need to know what to do with that guy because I don't know where you guys pick him from.
Relax, babe.
Who is so stuffy?
So, how may I help you guys?
Okay,
Okay, thank you for that question. But first, I don't appreciate you calling us guys. I know it seems politically correct, but I did appreciate if you call us by our pronouns because we are identified with different pronouns. So please, refer us with our pronouns accordingly. Thank you.
she's correct. I mean, we would prefer you address us as they or them because we are non-binaries, and I will let it slide this time just because I assume you weren't aware at first.
So please, you said you allow it slide. If you did not allow it slide, what would you have done?
Relax, bro. You really don't want to find out, do you?
Ooh, that's my big D energy. It's given plus 1,000 or.
Hey! Odumeje, wonder shall never end.
And why is she laughing? Sorry, can I identify you as she?
Of course, you can address me as a she. And with all due respect, I would not appreciate you speaking to me in that manner. Excuse me.
Minus 1,000 or.
So, if I may ask, how may I help you or them?
They are here to purchase a property, a house.
Okay, by themselves?
Come on, it's all correct this time. I mean, they are by themselves. Do you have a problem with that?
I'm afraid so because the both of you, it doesn't look like you both or them both is legally of age to purchase these properties.
Daddy, isn't that rude of him to say?
Relax, babe, relax. Let me handle this.
Oh my god. Okay. Okay.
Sorry to intrude. You people say you are non-binary, and he's calling you that. Is that not for men?
Come Come on, that's where you got it all wrong. I mean, anybody can identify as a daddy. I mean, male, female, non-binaries, everybody.
Okay, the fact that them want to purchase a property, we have the way we go about our things down here. You have to fill a particular form. We need to have your where you live, your information, where you work, an identity card, your phone number, and your present address. All of this, it helps us for security purposes and when you make purchases. So.
Yeah, actually, it's my 18th year birthday in a few days, so it's actually my mom that wants to get us the house as a birthday gift. So we can both move in and, you know, for the time being, or in case we leave the country and decide to come visiting, and that's it. She's actually based in the States and she sent us to come make inquiries.
Yeah.
Yeah. So your mother know about them?
Of course, yes.
Wait, your parents know the both of you or used to?
Hello, excuse you. Please. You don't have to ask us questions regarding our personal matters. Let's go into the business that brought us here.
Can I have a pen at least?
Yes! Are you so dumb that you can't just bring a pen for him to write? And fill up this form. Don't you use your brain over here? Oh, gosh. Oh, Daddy.
We use our brain over here. If not, don't think because you have...
Hello, I need a pen.
Please.
Okay, and please, you need to fill this information so that I can take it to you.
Already?
And his coily hair, so dirty.
Relax.
Seems everything is wrong with every single person here. Coily hair, so dirty. You guys are just finance. Why do we even come to this place?
There you go.
There you go. Are you okay?
You are Desmond.
Yes, that's right.
AKA Big D.
That's me, baby.
Period.
And I think there is a mistake somewhere here because who is Princess?
I am Princess.
Actually, they are both princesses. I mean, my mom. She's Veronica. Her name is in the purchase spot. Check it, Veronica, yeah.
Jim. Them can come with me.
Let's go, baby.
You're supposed to use some people do menstruation through it.
Beatrice! What's it going to be now? Hey!
Ask me now, who I go ask me.
Princess.
You know, see person where they born.
Prince.
You know they see her.
Princess.
That one say na daddy.
Daddy? Hey! The thing where eyes they see for Lagos, someone to know fit talk.
They talk am.
I think they see what I
No, they touch me too much.
Okay. Daddy!
Please, the files that I needed yesterday, can you give me this to them, please?
Why didn't you sign it?
Why would I not sign it?
Then you go to madam's office and take the
If I ask you to bring something, you bring it for me. What is your problem?
For what? Because you be who?
Yeah,
You better
take your time.
stay inside. Take your You go yourself and they warn you. Better take it. Stop it.
See, let me tell you something. You see, in this office, before you ever came here, I have been here for so long.
And I've collected a lot of award. What do you don't collect? Lazy bone.
Even the Grammys we all know is fake.
Whatever. Are you sappy? I better shut up, may you focus on your work. I can't wait till they go find a bag.
Monopolized fools.
Hey.
They're both thinking that.
Wetin my eye no go see. There are different kind of people we just dey see for this Lagos.
Have they gone?
Yes, sir. They have gone.
What on earth was that? I actually mean the laughter.
Actually, we're laughing about something Fred said.
Look, I don't know it all. But one thing I know is that we must love everyone as we love ourselves. Notwithstanding our varying beliefs, philosophies of life, or religion. How would you feel if this was done to you? Why would you make fun of anyone? Everyone acts according to the exposure they have, the environment they grew up in. So what right do we have to judge and condemn? Please, let it not happen here. I will not take lightly to anyone discriminating against his neighbor. And I mean clients and colleagues alike. Not here, not in my company. So please be warned. Why do you make fun of clients?
Oh boy. Hi! Now different things we dey see for Lagos. See that one wey fly pass here now saying be princess. Small thing for hold am like this for neck. Take am like this, eh? Hi! If for fly go where you no go, where you no know wetin dey worry am. If no be the way madam dey reason sometimes. She get point, sha.
I swear. Only God helped me compose myself in dealing with those people. Because I really tried. I held myself so much in between them being very, very rude. I held myself the best I
My
could.
brother, if to say na before, I will give you one bottle now for that thing wey you do today. I say as you just comport yourself. You just dey control yourself. I say, ha! This boy don't really mature. No be wetin I mean. I mean say, as you comport yourself, you try. If na me dey where you dey, I for cash am, take am. Well done. You do well. Oh. Hi. Hey, no easy.
I swear these people nearly confused my English. I was trying to get what pronouns and whatsoever and everything together, but then again,
Easy.
it wasn't funny.
No easy. I say am. You try.
Substitute.
Hey, you shock me, oh, but you try. Yeah? You try. Now I know they like make woman they train pikin. As I they look the two of them, I see them like a children wey woman train. If to say a man gallant wey get chest train children well, they for no they behave like this. Now I know they allow my baby mama they train my children. I grab am. I say, "Gewa, ketikara chaga ya dia." I correct my pikin, no. Ha! Me woman they train my pikin, make they behave like a princess. Now I'm all about working. Because they behave like that.
Freddie, why would you say such a thing? Eh? Are there no men like that or even married couples that have kids like that? Why are you talking like this?
Like this one.
Yes!
What exactly are you trying to say?
What I am trying to say is there are other people that have kids like this. Oh yes.
Well, most of the times when women take care of children, that's when you see them become criminals in the streets, hardcore drugs addicts, and most of them behave like
Really?
a princess.
Oh really? And who made these estimated facts that you're talking about?
You can check your Google or wherever the statistics are clear.
You know, when Nini said all these things, it made me realize that, it made me change my thinking and everything that I've had in my mind. Because the brain actually solves problem for us. In the absence of problem, the brain creates problem to solve on its own.
Where are you heading at exactly?
Where I am heading is, it is high time this privileged kids or these rich kids that behave like this stop thinking this way. If they are not thinking this way, they will think straight and take this off their mind.
Well, on most circumstances like this, I beg to agree with Nini because I believe bottom line, if we were all raised with love at a certain stage of our lives, things will come out much more better. So if we can all come together and raise people with love. So on this, I think I agree with Nini on what she's saying. Even if it's very difficult to understand or accept.
I would have said it is eye service that is doing you, since you're the number one sycophant. But then, I have to agree with you.
The fact that you are a sycophant on different days doesn't make me half a sycophant that you are.
Excuse me?
Hey! I like as na just they use English, they snap myself of it. That's last school, no be scam, sha. If to say I just take my time, read that book where mother give me rich end, maybe myself go they speak psychopathy. School no be scam, sha.
Please, can I have the file?
I sent you the mail already.
Say, give me the file. I need the file. I need the hard copy.
You can print it out wherever you have to.
I said I need the hard copy from you.
Drag it out.
Number one sycophant, eye service over
I would
service.
not be half a
Number
sycophant.
one.
You are in 10
You
years.
are number one. That is who you are. Eye service. And you were here smiling, laughing. Rubbish.
I see you that you were crying.
Print it all. I cannot tear up for you this afternoon. Lazy bone.
Yeah. Everybody come on. Everybody come on. How fun now. Everybody come on. Welcome to the office. Another one.
Madam, make a rap for this song. I beg, make a rap for this song. I beg now, please. I beg. Let me rap, please. Well, nice. Yeah. Everybody come on. Everybody come. Everybody come. Voila, no too much.
Rolling. So where are we going from?
Thank you. From him. Yes, now.
All right. Rolling.
Sound. Episode 13 scene 3, too short for them, take one. Episode 13 scene 3, too short for them, take one.
That's them coming in. That's them coming in. Then once they want to say that, we refrain to hear because they get those lines standing up. No. Outside go show that. They get those lines standing up. Yes, they are coming in. Oh yeah, let's go.
Standing
Yes, they are coming in. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Action.
Just when I enjoy my semester now, they disturb me with this. Just when I enjoy my semester now, they disturb me with this. What's with this?
Excuse me?
Una loss?
And what sort of question is that?
Una loss?
Bro, once you do, come in and come here. We're avoiding nights so that we will not see that window. Just come here, do your thing. Both of you do your thing. Then once he leaves, just come here. Let's go. From here. Then once he leaves, still rolling from here.
Still rolling.
What's with this?
Where she did?
Silence!
What's with this?
Action! Silence!
What's with this?
Yeah. Wonder shall never end. Who born that one? Suppose you saw people do menstruation throwaway. God forgive me.
Take down the laptop.
Okay.
You know what you want for you. Me and you go laugh. What the last time me and you will follow laugh? Take it down.
Still rolling.
Let's stay and laugh like 5 seconds.
Silence! Action!
Hey! If they're supposed to use some people do menstruation too. What's with that one?
If you just carry something under your this thing. Let's take it again.
Okay, sir.
All right.
Standing by. Still rolling. This is laptop off.
Okay, sir.
Action!